Well, I know it's back to school time, and one of my favorite things elementary school to have for breakfast was an orange muffin. Yes, we're gonna do orange muffins today. Let's get to it. It's JB Sudden Hands. So the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna work on our dry ingredients. I like to keep my dry and wet ingredients separate. We're using cake flour today too, not all-purpose flour, simply because the cake flour is ground a little bit more finely than the all-purpose flour. It's gonna get that cake a nice fluffy texture for this muffin. But we're gonna get that muffin a nice fluffy texture. So we got 2 cups of flour, baking powder, sugar, and some salt. Gonna get a nice toss. So for our wet ingredients, we got some milk, some butter that's melted, that's been cooled a little bit. You don't want it going there hot. Some vanilla extract, 2 eggs, got some orange yogurt. This is whole tube. This yogurt is gonna add some nice moisture to the muffins. We're gonna be using fresh oranges. So I'm gonna cut these up. I'm using these Naval Oranges. You can use tangerines or any of the sweet oranges, but we want some fresh orange juice. Also, when I'm done juicing this, I'm gonna take a strainer before I pour it in. Make sure I don't get any pulp in here. Now we're gonna add our orange juice and get this a nice little whisk. Now I'm gonna take this orange mixture and I'm gonna gradually add it here. I'm just gonna keep folding this to this nice and evenly mixed. You don't want to work this too much though. You don't want it to be dry and too dense. So I'm gonna fold this a couple more times, and then I'm gonna whisk it together to make sure I get all this mixed evenly. Yeah, so we got our batter nice and whisked. We don't want to let this sit for too long. Like I said, don't overwork it. Just make sure you get all the lumps out. I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of just fresh orange zest. Y'all, that's so much on. Ooh, that smells so good. That orange smell. To get that nice and whisk up. Cut that out. So now I'm gonna take this 1/3 measuring cup and we're gonna scoop our batter into these muffin holders, cupcake holders. Just like that. Got the oven preheated 375. I'm gonna put these in the oven for around 15 to 18 minutes. Just make sure you check on them. Fresh out the oven, spent 18 minutes. Let's crack one of these open and see what we got. They're finished. Let's have a look inside our muffins. Let's choose one on the top. Oh, it's nice and moist. Oh yeah. Taste that. It's a lot of orange flavor. Oh man, that's so moist. That's exactly what we want. That brings me back right there. Like always, the ingredients gonna be in the description. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Shake these sudden hands. Orange Muffins.